Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Perfect English Channel.
We're so happy you're here. Have you ever said a sentence in English and later realized it wasn't quite right?
Don't worry. Every English learner makes sentence mistakes. The good news is that every mistake is a chance to improve.
Today, we'll look at common English sentence mistakes, explain why they happen, and show you the correct way to say them.
Let's get started. Mistake 1. Some learners say, "She go to school every day."
The correct sentence is, she goes to school every day.
Remember, with he, she, and it, use goes, works, likes, and plays.
Mistake 2. Some people say, I am agree.
The correct sentence is, I agree.
Agree is a verb, so you don't need am.
Mistake 3. I have 25 years old.
The correct sentence is, I am 25 years old.
Mistake 4. He don't like coffee.
Correct. He doesn't like coffee. Mistake 5. I didn't went yesterday.
Correct. I didn't go yesterday.
After didn't, always use the base form of the verb.
Mistake 6. She can sings well.
Correct. She can sing well. Mistake 7. I'm boring.
Correct. I'm bored.
Use bored for your feelings and boring for something that causes boredom. Mistake 8. He has a good advices.
Correct. He has good advice.
Mistake 9. I look forward to see you.
Correct. I look forward to seeing you.
Mistake 10. There have many people.
Correct. There are many people.
Mistake 11. I very like this movie.
Correct. I really like this movie.
Mistake 12. She married with Tom.
Correct. She is married to Tom.
Mistake 13. Can you explain me this?
Correct. Can you explain this to me?
Mistake 14. I have been here since 2 hours.
Correct. I have been here for 2 hours. Mistake 15. I enjoy to read books.
Correct. I enjoy reading books. Mistake 16. He is good in math. Correct. He is good at math. Mistake 17. I have less friends. Correct. I have fewer friends. Mistake 18. The people is friendly. Correct. The people are friendly. Mistake 19. I am living here since 2020. Correct. I have lived here since 2020. Mistake 20. Where you are going. Correct. Where are you going? Great job. Today, you learned 20 common English sentence mistakes and the correct ways to say them. Remember, don't be afraid of making mistakes. Every correction helps you become a more confident English speaker.
Try using these correct sentences in your daily conversations.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.
Thanks for listening. See you next time. Keep practicing your English every day.